on our way to Sew la Punakha, and this is our early morning picnic in Lomitawa. Thank you Forever 20 for the breakfast. Second breakfast at Sew la Punakha. Detoxification in my way, and this is the detoxification treatment behind. That's the point where we have to reach the boulders. All are here, all the way from Thimphu, to help in the construction site of the monastery. So, carrying the size of boulder, we have to climb uphill. Everyone is contributing, helping in this construction site on the hilltop. And that is Sew la Punakha, from where we are carrying the boulders, 30 to 40 minutes of hill. And that is Namgay Tse. The construction is going on, and we are helping here. We came all the way from Thimphu, driving for 3 to 4 hours, and now again I'm going down to get the boulders. Another 30 to 40 minutes up, and we'll be doing this for one whole day today. Charging station here. Here the truck will bring the boulders, and then from here we have to carry on our back, and then 30 to 40 minutes uphill. And that is the